Hi, if you have some troubles with connection issues on your iPhone 16, follow these advices. And firstly, make sure that the Wi-Fi is working on other devices such as your computer or TV. If everything is fine there, the problem is with the phone. So try disabling and re-enabling Wi-Fi on your phone. And for that, open Settings, go in the Wi-Fi section, and here tap on the switcher to disable, and after a few seconds tap it again to enable. Also make sure you're connected to the correct Wi-Fi network because your phone can automatically connect to other networks, so go into your Wi-Fi settings and check this. Now, you may want to check the date and time settings. It can cause the problem with the connections. So if they're set manually and incorrectly, the internet will not work. And to check that, we will need to go in the General tab. Here, select the Date and Time section and check whether they set automatically enabled or not. If not, enable it by tapping on the switcher and select the right time zone. So, if the previous advices didn't help, you can reset the network settings. And for that, we just need to go in the General as before and then select to transfer or reset this phone. Select the button to reset. And here select Reset Network Settings, just like that. After that, enter your phone's passcode and confirm by pressing this red button. And if nothing works, you can do a soft reset. For that, you will need to press the volume up, then volume down button, and hold down the side button until the Apple logo appears. So let's try this out. Volume up, volume down, and holding this side button till the Apple logo appears on the screen. Let's wait a few more seconds till the Apple's logo appears on the screen. Great, the phone is off now, and here is the Apple's logo. So that's it how it works. I hope this advice has helped, and thank you for watching.